Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to apply slide transitions in PowerPoint, adding a touch of professionalism and engagement to your presentations. Now start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. You can create a new one or work on an existing file. Next, choose the slide to which you want to add a transition. So for example, this one. So I want to add a transition to this slide. Now, go to the Transitions tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. This is where you'll find all the options for adding slide transitions. In the Transition to the Slide group, you'll see a variety of transition effects to choose from. Click on the one you like to apply it to the selected slide. You can hover over each effect to see a preview. So here, see, how about this one or this one? If you want to customize the transition further, you can use the options in the timing and sound groups. Here, timing and sound groups. You can set the duration of the transition and even add a sound if you prefer. So if you want the same transition effect on multiple slides, you can click on Apply to All. This will apply the selected transition to all slides in your presentation. And that's it! You now know how to apply slide transitions in PowerPoint, making your presentations more engaging and dynamic. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to apply slide transitions in PowerPoint. See you on my next video. Remember, the right slide transitions can captivate your audience and enhance your message. So don't hesitate to explore and experiment to find the perfect transition for your presentation. Your audience will appreciate the effort.